In this video, I'll guide you through how to print job postings from Indeed. Whether you want a hard copy to review later, to take to an interview, or to compare multiple roles side by side, having a clean printed version of a job listing can be really helpful. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few simple tips to make sure what comes out of your printer is clear and easy to read. First, start by opening the specific job listing you want to print. Go to the Indeed website in your browser, search for the job you're interested in, and then click on that job title to open the full description. Make sure you're looking at the complete job page, not just the preview in the search results. You'll want to see the full details, including the responsibilities, qualifications, salary information, if it's listed, and any application instructions all on the screen before you print. Once you have the job listing open, look around the page for a print option. Sometimes Indeed or your browser will show a print button or a printer icon near the top of the page or in a menu. If you see a print option directly on the job page, go ahead and click that. It's designed to format the posting nicely for printing, which usually removes extra ads, navigation bars, and other clutter. If you don't see a print button on the page, you can still print easily using your keyboard. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and P together. On a Mac, press Command and P. This keyboard shortcut opens your browser's print dialog, which shows you a preview of how the job posting will look on paper. Take a moment to check that you're on the right listing and that the preview shows all the key information you care about. Next, adjust your printer settings so the job posting prints the way you want. In the print dialog, choose the correct printer if you have more than one available. Then look at the layout options. You can usually choose between portrait and landscape. A portrait is best for most job descriptions since they're usually formatted in a vertical layout. Make sure the page size is set correctly for your region, like letter or A4. It's also a good idea to look at the Pages section in the print dialog. If the preview shows multiple pages, but you only need the first one or two, you can tell it to print only those pages. This can save ink and paper. If there's an option to simplify the page or remove headers and footers, you can turn that on or off depending on your preference. Simplifying the page can help remove extra website elements and keep the focus on the job details. Once you're satisfied with the preview and all your settings look correct, you're ready to print. Click the print button in the dialog. Your printer should start printing the job posting, and in a moment you'll have a physical copy. Before you close the browser tab, quickly scan the printed page to make sure everything you need, like the job title, company name, location, requirements, and how to apply, is clearly visible. That's all you need to do to print job postings from Indeed. By opening the full listing, using the print option or keyboard shortcut, adjusting your settings, and then printing, you can easily create a clean, readable copy of any job you're interested in.